Okay, we are going to record this. I'm going to make the body for the air engine. Here's the body. Here is the isometric view we're going to create. Now notice the way that it is oriented. We have to keep it this way. This is not a three-dimensional object. This is a two-dimensional object. Okay, so we need to draw an isometric. All right, so I'm going to go down here, and here's our ISO drift. Okay, if I turn that on, you'll see that it changes my screen to be on a 30-degree angle. Okay, that is what we need for an isometric. Okay, now I want to draw this orientation. I'm going to start here on this side right here. Okay, that side right there is the isoplane left. Okay, here, this one is the top, this one's the right. Okay, so we're going to start with the left. Okay, and we're going to draw a basic box. Okay, so I'm going to draw here. I'm going to put my F8 on. Okay, and I'm going to go 0.73. I'm going to go straight up, 4.25. I'm going to go this way, 0.73. Come down to where this meets. Okay, now I want my line to continue over this way, but notice it won't go there. Okay, it's because my isoplane is here on the left. I'm going to change that to the right. So I'm going to go here to my isodraft and change that to right. Now, if you notice, I can pull it this way, 0.73. I can go up 4.25 again. I can connect here. Okay. Draw another line, and I go from here. Okay, line up at this one, line up at that one. Okay, now we have our box. Okay, what we're going to draw next is these little cutouts here, which are right over here. Okay, so looking at the drawing, I'll start here. I'm going to go straight up, and that's going to go up 0.5. Okay, now I want to go over here. Now I got to change my isoplane again to left, so it goes this way, and that's 0.062. I go straight up, and that is going to be 0.38. And then I'm just going to come back over this way, click. And then what I'll do is I'll just trim those away. There. And there. Okay. Now we have another one, and that is 1.62 from here, so I can draw from there. Okay. That goes up 1.62. Okay, right there. And that goes back 0.062. This one goes up 0.38. Back over this way. And we'll trim those away as well. Here and here. We do have an extra line right here. That long one we drew, the 1.620. I can delete that right there. Okay. Now we need these same two on this side. A couple of different ways I can do that. I can here and go copy. And I can get those. And then copy from this endpoint to this endpoint. Okay, and there are my points there. Now I can draw a line from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, here to here, and then here to here. Okay, now I can trim these away. I'll go here, here, and here. Okay. And let's see, okay, I'm going to click here. And I'll trim these guys away like that. Alright. Now I have a hole right here, right in the middle. Okay, and I'm going to go from the midpoint here, and I can go straight up, and that's going to go 1.25. Okay, and I'm going to draw a circle. Now draw a circle in isometric. You can't use the circle command. You must use the ellipse command. I'll do axis and end. Okay, I have to go down here and pick isocircle. I'll put it this endpoint. Now notice it is going the wrong way. So I need to change my isoplane again. Okay, and this time to right, so it's going the right way. Type in D for diameter, and the diameter of that is 0.252. Okay, now I can delete this line. Draw another line straight up here. Okay, now I've got a couple of different ones. I have those two lines, so I can go up there 3.312, and I can go this way 0.125, hit enter, go this way 0.125. Okay, and I can then draw another one for the top one from the same spot, because I'm going to be deleting those anyway from there, and then it's going to go up 3.875 right there. Okay, so my isocircle again. This one here, right there, D for diameter, that one is 0.376. Okay, and then I want another one. It's going to be here. Oops, I forgot to push isocircle. Isocircle, this endpoint. Okay, D for diameter, that one is 0.125. Draw another one, isocircle, right here, 0.125. Whoops, and I didn't push diameter. Okay, so go to another one, isocircle, right here, D for diameter, 0.125. Okay, now I have another one on the side that lines up with these, so I can go here, draw a line from the center, just go across here. All right, then I'm going to copy this line. I'm going to copy here from this endpoint to this intersection. And then right in the center there, I'm going to have that tap ball. Now notice if I go to isocircle and I pick the midpoint where it's going to be, it's going the wrong way. So I need to change my isoplane again, and this one's going to be on the left. It's going to be this way. That is a 1032, which I believe is 0.190 diameter. Okay, now I didn't push diameter. Key for diameter. Key for diameter. 0.190. Okay. And delete whatever lines I don't want anymore. This guy, him, and him. Okay? And there is my part. Now what I need to do, need to make a W block out of this. So I'm going to go up to Insert. And a W block allows us to insert it into our exploded view. So I'm going to go to Create Block, and I'm going to go Right Block. Okay? Now, first thing it wants to do is pick point, and we put it back in. So I'm just going to put it here. Okay? I'm going to go to Select Objects. I want to select everything. Okay? I can either retain them, convert it to a block, or just delete them. I don't need to save these, but if you want to just be safe, you can pick retain there, so it's there. Now I want to know where I want to put these. I would make a folder called W block and put all my W blocks in it. Okay, I just got one here, and I'm just going to call it the base. Okay, and I'm going to pick save. Okay, so I'm going to pick OK. And I had already done this, so I'm going to replace it. Okay, now if I go, let's delete this. When I go to create my drawing, I'm going to go here to Insert, and I'm going to go to Blocks from Library. And we've got a window that's going to pop up here. And we need to go to wherever that was that we put it. In this case, it's right here, and it's called Base. You can see a preview of it. I'll pick Open. And we have to wait for it to go right there. Now I can double click on it. and then pick a spot, or I can click and drag it. Might be a better way of doing it, and it's right there. Okay, so that will be our assembly drawing. Alright, so that is it for the base.